Hi, so welcome to this video. In this video, we want to learn how to fund your Perfect Money accounts in Nigeria and in Ghana, or how to buy Perfect Money accounts in Nigeria and in Ghana. Then also you can also sell. You can convert your Perfect Money account to Nigerian Naira or to Ghana cedis or anywhere in the world. Okay. So once you have your Perfect Money account ready and you have your Perfect Money account, which is this, so this is my Perfect Money account, all you need to do is to copy it and go to any of these websites. This is Exchange Indeed if you want to buy Perfect Money in Nigeria. As of today, this is the rate they are selling it at 363 Naira per each Perfect Money US dollar. And if you want to sell, you sell at 343. So you can buy in this website. I've been dealing with them for a very long time. But if it is your first time, you can either go to their office and at least know them, know who you are dealing with and all that. Or alternatively, you can go to instantgold.com. I also go here too to buy Perfect Money. There you can also sell. This is their rate. Their rate is very good. But the only problem I'm having with them is when you sell to them, usually they delay. So if you sell like 12 in the morning, they might pay you around 6 p.m. in the evening. But Exchange Gold pays a little bit faster and all that. So this is where you buy Perfect Money in Nigeria. Alternatively, you can go to Google and type Perfect Money seller in Nigeria or something. Okay, it will give you options. And remember, most of the sites you are dealing with, since it's the first time, we always recommend you go to their office, at least for the first business. Know whoever you are dealing with and all that. So this is how you buy Perfect Money in Nigeria. Then if you are in Ghana, we recommend you buy from this website. It is called payplux.com. Their service is very good. I've been dealing with them more than 8 years now and they've been consistent. All you need to do is just to go there, get started, create an account with them, and you can now buy Perfect Money or Bitcoin, any of them like that from them. And their service is very fast and they are good. The last site I'll talk about is called Bushcom, bushcom.com. This guy is pretty very fast. If you need to fund your Perfect Money in Ghana in a second, you can actually deal with them. They are very, very fast. They are somewhere in Accra. You can get their contact details, talk to them, or probably go to their office for first deal so that you know them and before you deal with them. Then lastly, you can also go to Google and check Perfect Money seller in Ghana. Like as I said, don't send money online for the first time. Always go to their office, know who you are dealing with and all that. But these two websites is highly recommended for if you are in Ghana, Payplux and Bushcom.com. For you to get your Perfect Money account. You can also get Bitcoin and other e-currencies from them. Their service is very good. So, and finally, you can also sell. So whenever you have Perfect Money, they can convert it for you in Ghana cedis, and you withdraw to either mobile money or you go to the office to get cash. Their services is pretty fast. So this is how you fund, buy, and sell Perfect Money accounts in Ghana and in Nigeria. Please subscribe to our video. We'll be doing a lot of practical tutorials like this so that you'll be among the first person that will know about this video. Thanks for watching.